你好, welcome to Chinese Begin. In last lesson, we have learned the components of Chinese characters. So today, let's look at how Chinese characters were created. In this lesson, you will learn two formation ways of Chinese characters. They are 象形字 Pictographic characters and 指事字 self-explanatory characters. Okay, let's begin. From the pictographs written on the oracle bones, which are more than 3,600 years, to the standard script 楷书 we use today, there are many ways how these Chinese characters were created. In this lesson, let's look at the two formation ways of Chinese characters firstly. The first formation method is 象形字 or pictographic characters. 象形字 or pictographic characters refer to the use of graphics as characters, which are very similar to the things they represent in shape. Pictographic characters are the earliest characters. These are four pictographic characters and their corresponding standard scripts. The first one, 车, means carriage. It looks like that a person is standing on a carriage. The second one, 日, means sun. It lacks a circle with a point in the middle, which is very similar to the shape that when people looking directly at the sun. The third one, 羊, which means shape. If it looks like a head of a shape. And the last one, 目, which means eye. Although modern Chinese characters still retain the characteristics of pictographic characters, they have been far from the original image after thousands of years of evolution. From these pictographic characters and their corresponding standard scripts, we can find that the Chinese characters we use today have been simplified. Their strokes are straight, their shape is square, and they are more neat and uniform and easier to write. Then, let's look at 指事字 self-explanatory characters. The second formation way is 指事字 self-explanatory characters. It's an abstract formation method of Chinese characters. That is, when it's inconvenient to draw a specific picture to indicate the meaning of something, ancient Chinese represented the meaning with an abstract symbol. Most self-explanatory characters add or reduce strokes or symbols on the basis of pictographs. For example, the meaning of the two characters 上 up and 下 down are represented by two lines, and one line is longer than another one. If the shorter line is put above the longer line, then these two lines together indicating the character 上, which means up. So, if the shorter line is put under the longer line, they together indicates the character 下, which means down. In the end, let's have a review. In this lesson, we have learned two formation ways of Chinese characters. They are 象形字 pictographic characters. This kind of characters refer to the use of graphics as characters, which are very similar to the thing they represent in shape. And pictographic characters are the earliest characters. And the second one is 指事字 self-explanatory characters. Self-explanatory characters is an abstract formation method of Chinese characters. That is, when it's inconvenient to draw a specific picture to indicate the meaning of something. Ancient Chinese represented the meaning with an abstract symbol. Okay, that's all we have learned today. In next lesson, we will continue to learn the remaining two formation ways of Chinese characters. 再见, see you next time.